Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. In Python, polymorphism allows different classes to define the same method name, but with different implementations. Why do we need to use polymorphism? It helps us to use our code in a better way. It improves our code actually. It promotes code reusability, in other words. It supports flexibility in program design, allows different objects to be treated uniformly. And there are different types of polymorphism in Python. The first one of which is method overriding, or let's say runtime polymorphism. The second one is method overloading, meaning that you can use default arguments. And in the third one, it's operator overloading. The fourth one is polymorphism with functions and objects. Then we discuss polymorphism with abstract classes, and finally we talk about doc typing. Sorry. So these are the main topics in Python that we can discuss polymorphism. In this section, we're going to dive deeper into the concept of polymorphism and go through all these methods one by one, all these types of polymorphism, one by one, and provide coding exercises. Thank you for watching.